Very good morning, students. We are starting a new lesson, holistic development. Children, in this chapter, we will understand about holistic development and also we will understand how it is possible. First, we will understand what is holistic development. Holistic development क्या है? बच्चों, holistic development का मीन है संपूर्ण विकास, शारीरिक, मानसिक एंड आध्यात्मिक विकास, that is known as a holistic development. Holistic development is also very important in our life because it gives us power to face the challenges. In holistic development, physical development comes. Physical development means a well grown body free from diseases and tension. एक ऐसी बॉडी जो कि डिजीजेस फ्री हो और टेंशन्स फ्री हो. बच्चों, फिजिकल फिटनेस इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट इन अ लाइफ बिकॉज इफ़ वी आर हेल्दी एंड एनर्जेटिक वी कैन डू वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू डू इन अ लाइफ. If we are not physically fit, it increase negativity in ourselves and then we cannot do anything that we want to do. Also, we cannot, it is not giving us power to think. It always gives us negativity in the life. So physical fitness is very much important. Mental development. Mental development means acquiring knowledge with thoughts and actions. Mental development gives us the ability to understand, to gain the knowledge, to analyze. It gives us creative thinking ability to find a new way to solve the problem. हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, हम उसके लिए अलग अलग तरीके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए हम उसको फेस कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट गिव अस पावर टू थिंक. स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट मीन्स अ बैलेंस बिटवीन बॉडी एंड माइंड that finally leads to integrate the soul with God. Spiritual growth means growing connection with the God. It gives us power to understand that why we are on the earth, why God has given us life. It gives us inner power and strength. स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट से हमें समझ में आता है कि हमें भगवान ने इस धरती पर क्यों जन्म दिया है, हमारी लाइफ का क्या मीनिंग है. इट गिव अस पावर टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ कैन वी लिव अ पर्पसफुल लाइफ. Children, man is the superior most creature on the earth because he has a well developed body and mind. He is perhaps the only creature that can help his fellow beings. As you all know that humans are the most intelligent and superior creature of the world and we have a power to help others. But having a brain and body is not enough. Its proper functioning in a positive direction is also necessary. It is true, children. Only we have a power. It doesn't mean that we are living a good life. We are living a purposeful life. Our life should be go in a positive direction. It is also important. A brain with destructive attitude can be more destructive for the environment and other living beings. This is also correct. A destructive mind is very much harmful, even not for the others, not for the environment, for ourselves also. It is the spirituality of a man that keep him intact with the principle of welfare of all. Therefore, we should have a healthy body and mind. Besides, we should have an adequate touch with spirituality. बच्चों, spirituality हमें ये पावर देती है कि हम दूसरों के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर सकें, क्योंकि जब हमारी स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ होती है तो वी थिंक इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. वी विल फाइंड आउट दैट regrets, guilt, anger, all that gone from our life. We will be more humble, generous and non-violent. ये हमारे सोचने का तरीका बदल देती है. We can fulfill the purpose of our life only through the holistic way. जब हम शारीरिक, मानसिक और आध्यात्मिक रूप से विकसित होंगे तभी हम एक पर्पसफुल लाइफ जी सकते हैं. You might have heard about Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayanand Saraswati and Ramakrishna Paramhans. They were all great spiritual leaders. It is very much true. Swami Vivekananda, they have also spread the message of spirituality in the world. Swami Dayanand Saraswati has spread the importance of Vedas in the society. So these all were great spiritual leaders. Their mottos was to change the way people think, to take them toward the spirituality. They brought fame for the country in spirituality. Today, people from various parts of the world come to our country in search of spirituality. As you all know that in this materialistic world, everyone is self-centered, thinking about himself or herself. But this type of thinking increase tension and stress in the life. So spirituality, spiritual development, spiritual growth is very much important to live a peaceful life. And also then we can just do something good for others in our life. Thank you.